Hi, CMattDye here. Hopefully you're having a great day. I want to talk about LendingPond app. It's basically a way to be able to borrow against your NFTs. Now the Discord is acronym Dao, acronym Pond, whatever you want to call it. There's different role levels. So if you want to learn more about lending, if you want to talk more about borrowing, what is that? This is the holders chat because I hold one. And then, so this is the Discord. I will link that in the description. I want to talk about that just because if you have any questions and comments, you can ask me, but also, even better, you can join the Discord and talk to the actual devs that know way more about this project than me because they eat, sleep, and breathe it. This is the about page. So this kind of shows you can take out a loan against NFT, a Clay, or Space Bud, or Ape Society. This talks about borrowing. So there's no KYC or credit checks. You ask for a loan, and someone can give you a loan, and it's backed up against your NFT. So what happens is you ask to borrow. Now somebody will in the future be able to do a counter offer and be like, well, I'll loan you this for this particular NFT. That's going to be in the future. But right now the borrower asks, the lender can say, okay, well, I will loan you this particular amount. And then that NFT goes into a smart contract for whatever time you agreed upon. And then once that loan is paid back, that NFT will go back to the borrower. If it's not paid back and it's defaulted, then it goes to the lender, which makes sense. This is the team right here: Stockpika, Goose, Scene, I guess, and Nalukix. So I talked to Stockpikas in the Discord a lot. This is your little FAQ here: what's LendingPond, all this, interest rates, can I get scammed, stuff like that. I'm going to talk about how you actually can get scammed. So if I go to lend here, this is everything that I can lend money on. I can lend money 500 ADA. I can lend on a Pavia. That's ridiculous. 9,000 ADA for a Pavia. It's ridiculous. Because I can go here and I can look up Pavia, and Pavia pulls up. Well, it's a 310 floor. So if I'm going to loan this person 500 ADA, the chances that they're going to default are nearly 100%. So I'm basically buying a Pavia for 500. So that's how you have to look at these loans. This Boss Cat, for example, I wouldn't pay this on the secondary. Let's look up Boss Cats. So Boss Cat Rocket Club, 1600 floor. So you can look this up if you want. So I'm using JPEG Store. You can use Open CNFT if it's working for you. Most of the time when I pull it up, I get this white screen. So it's not even working. You can go to Open CNFT and type in Boss Cat Rocket Club. Once that pulls up, you can go back here and see that it's number 8556. So I go back here and I type in 8556. I hit go and this pulls up. 5267 rank, basically the floor. And then you can go here if you want trait floors. Well, here's a 1750 for a matte eyes, whatever that is, 1800 for silver hoop. You can go by this if you want, or you can go by the floor. So 1800 was that, the floor 1600, but even then 1700 is a little much. So everybody has a different risk tolerance. So let's go with 1700. We'll split the difference between 1600, 1800. We'll just split the difference. If I was doing this, I would do 1600, but just for an example, and let's do multiply it by 0.7. That's 1190. So if somebody was asking for a $1,200 loan or less for this, I think anybody would pick it up pretty quickly. However, you're asking for 1700, which is 100 over the floor. So what are the chances that this person's going to default? 80% maybe. That's what I would think. So that's the way you have to look at this as a lender and as a borrower. The borrower wants to borrow ADA, but the borrower ideally wants to pay that ADA back to get their NFT back. And as a lender, that's what you look for. Well, this person wanting 500 ADA for a Pavia plot. Is this right on the beach? I could look this up and find out. Most likely not. So 500 ADA means there's a 99.9% chance they're going to default. So I don't want to lend money on that. A 6,000 ADA yummy, that scares me very much. The pixels, I don't really know that much about the pixels. That's way more than the floor, 5,000. But it probably has some particular traits that maybe makes it worth something. However, I would think there's a high chance of defaulting on this one as well. Pendulum, I don't know anything about the project, but I don't like the project, so I would kind of scares me as well. But that's how you have to look at things as this. Now, Acronym Dao, I wanted to say to be able to lend money on Acronym Dao, you need to own an acronym NFT, which is either a custom one or Acronym Dao Tribes. That's your acronym NFTs. You can own an Ape Society or Lazy Llama. Any of those three, any combination, or just one of them actually, allows you to lend money on here. I can lend money because I own the acronym. I have this right here. That's what I wanted to show. Also, I did want to talk about lending. Usually with lending and borrowing, you look at a loan to value ratio. So I look at the value of the NFT. What's it worth? What was it worth? What's it worth? What's it probably going to be worth in the future? Like, I'm super bullish on Yummies. Pavia I'm bullish on, but I just sold my Pavia to buy Bake Nation. I think Bake Nation is has way more upside than Pavia. That's my thoughts. So you doing a loan to value. So let's say the NFT is worth 1,600, right? So I looked at 0.7. That's 70% of the value. So, and usually lenders look at 60 to 70%. So if you want to be a shrewd investor, you want to find people who are saying, okay, loan me 60% of this project. Like, somebody took a $1,000 loan on a Space Bud. Well, there's a very high likelihood, 99.9% chance they're going to pay that back. They just want some money. They just want some ADA real quick. Trying not to call it money. They want some ADA real quick, so that way they can go do something, and then they're going to pay that back and get their Space Bud out of that smart contract. So I wanted to talk about that a little bit. Somebody earlier today, I'm not going to name any names, they funded a Pavia loan for 400 ADA. Well, Pavia we just looked at. Let me pull it up again. Well, if it's going to pull up. Okay, so Pavia has a floor at 310. If someone's asking for 400 ADA for a Pavia plot, there's a 99.9% chance they're going to default. So they defaulted. This person got a $400 Pavia plot. They paid $400 for it. Well, they're looking at it long term, and they're justifying it. Well, I can keep the Pavia plot, and it's going over 1,000 ADA. In the future, like, I think maybe 6 months to a year, whenever the market finds equilibrium and starts moving higher, as far as the overall market, I think Pavia will definitely go up. And I agree with that. But getting ripped off in that way was uncool, very uncool. But just know, when you're lending and borrowing, there's always going to be a percentage of likelihood. Is this person going to pay back the loan, or are they not? Are they asking 100, 110, 150, 200% of the actual value of the asset? Well, there's a very high likelihood that's not getting paid back. Are they asking 70, maybe less, 70%, 60%, 50%, 20% of the asset's value? very high likelihood they are going to pay that back. So as a lender, you have to be very cognizant of the value and what is actually being asked for by the borrower. I know the counter offer will be instituted soon. I don't know when exactly. I've talked with the team a little bit on that. So get into their Discord and ask, because they know. Let's talk about borrowing real quick, because I just realized I didn't touch on that. Okay, so these are all of my assets that I can lend on the platform. So if I scroll down, this is everything that I can lend right now. This isn't every single NFT that I have. This is everything in this wallet that is available to lend. So hopefully that makes sense. So if I click on this guy here, it gives me right now, you can do a total duration of 4 weeks. So I can do 2 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So let's say I wanted to lend this out 1 week. This is the Underworld Clay Nation small pitch, which is 360. So I'm going to pull up a calculator just to show you what I did in my head. So 360 times 0.7 equals what? 252. So 252 gives me plenty of what I want to do with. So let's say I want to borrow for a week. 252 right now, 5 to 8% is all you can ask for. And I think that maybe in the future they'll either do away with the cap, or maybe they'll raise it a little bit. 5 to 8% is pretty okay. I don't think anyone's going to say, here's 100% for a week. I don't think anybody's going to do that. But I think in the future they might give you a longer duration. They actually talked about maybe doing it week to week. So let's say you want to borrow money, but you're not exactly sure when you want to pay it back. So the interest will go up a little bit from week to week, depending on what the stipulations are. So maybe you say, okay, so every month the interest will go up such and such amount, and then the maximum amount will be this much, and it will be paid back, worst case scenario, by this time. So you know the interest will go up a certain amount, and then something like that. But it gets a little convoluted. So let's say I do 1 week for 252 loan to value ratio. That's totally fine with a 7% interest rate. That's pretty attractive, I think. I would loan money on something like that. But just to give you an example of how it works, and I don't really want to list it, but you hit list NFT, it pulls up your wallet, you sign the transaction, and then it shows up under what you want to borrow. So if I go to lend, it'll show up right in here. So that's what that is. So anyway, check out the description, get in their Discord, ask questions if this is interesting to you. Hopefully the lending and borrowing that I talked about, the loan to value ratios, did make some sense with you. So if you do use this platform, you know what to look for and you can be a savvy investor. With that, if you like the video, throw a like on. If you don't, throw a dislike. I appreciate the feedback. You like it or don't like it, that's fine. With that, I'll see you around the crypto markets. Have an awesome day.